Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your Pro R heavy-duty box control arms. First thing you want to do is get your bike jacked up, remove the wheels, and then we're going to remove the upper control arm. To start to remove your upper control arm, you have 2 bolts on the inner and 1 bolt at the ball joint. You want to remove those now. You're now ready to pull your control arm out. Now it's time to remove your axle nut and your wheel assembly. Now to remove your lower ball joint, you need to remove the nut from the bottom, and it's a tapered ball joint, you'll have to separate it. Now you want to remove your tie rod in. Take your tie rod bolts out. You will need to slide your knuckle off at the same time as your axle. We're going to hang it from the brake rotor. Next, you want to remove your lower shock bolt, and there's also 2 bolts that hold your lower control arm to the frame. You want to remove those as well. If you did not purchase your A-arms with your bushings and ball joints already in, now's the time to install them. Let's put your lower control arm on the frame. Now you can insert your lower shock bolt. If you're running a sway bar, you're ready to connect your sway bar to the lower arm. Now you can put your knuckle assembly. You need to slide the axle in first and then slide the ball joint in at the same time. Go ahead and reconnect your tie rod. Your upper control arms are adjustable to be able to adjust your camber and a little bit of caster if needed. For a rough outline of a measurement, you want to set the tape measure at the bottom of your bushing collar to the top of your jam nut. Needs to be about 7/8 of an inch. Now you're ready to slide your upper control arm into the frame. Now you can attach your lower ball joint pin to your knuckle. Now you want to go ahead and put zip ties on your brake lines on the tabs on the A-arm. Then you can torque all your bolts to factory specs and then put your tires on and you're ready to ride.